Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to enable the Google keyboard, also called Gboard, on Samsung phones. So here is my Samsung Galaxy A45 and if I go to messages and I want to write a message, now I have the Samsung keyboard. But if you want to use instead this keyboard, the Google keyboard, first you need to install this app. It's called Gboard and I just made a video and you will find it on my YouTube channel how to install this app. And after you do that, just go to the keyboard and here in the left corner I have a little button, a little keyboard icon, and if you tap on it, from here you can change the keyboard. Now it's checked Samsung keyboard, but you can change it with the Gboard, and I have here two languages, English and Spanish. Choose whatever you want. I will choose English, and now I have the Gboard on my phone and it's enabled. Now if you want to change it back, just tap again on this little icon and select the Samsung keyboard and we are back. Now if you don't have this little icon on your phone, because it can be disabled very easy like this, and now it disappeared, you need to go on your phone to settings and here go down and tap to General Management, and here we have Keyboard List and Default. Tap to go inside, and here we have Default Keyboard, and now it's checked Samsung keyboard, and from here you can change it very easy from Samsung keyboard to the Gboard, English on or Spanish. And also you can enable back the little keyboard icon. Just tap here like this, and now if we go back, and now as you can see I have again this little keyboard icon. Tap on it, change to Gboard, and that's all. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope that this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.